guys! So before we start, we want to welcome you to our new vlog, which is
Voracious Indian Khatarosik.
Yeah, so this might be very random, but this video is all about the introduction to our vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
So guys, let me tell you what the name is all about. Voracious Indian Khatarosik. Everybody knows what voracious Indian means. Indians, we are Indians, and voracious, greedy. And then we kept a little bit Bengali touch into our name because we belong from
Shuddha Bengali.
Yeah, Shuddha Bengali people. So the Khatarosik actually is a Bengali term that means foodie. We kept it a little bit Bengali touch because we are shooting from here, Kolkata, and we will be like making you all see how Kolkata is all about with the food, craze with the food and everything, because one of the kind of Kolkata's being famous is food, especially street food. So we both like love food. We have you can say we have a craze for food. And we admire food.
Yeah, we want to go to every nook and corner of the city and show you whichever food stalls are there, because mostly people go to KFC and McDonald's and all those chain restaurants. So we just want to go a little hatke actually. Yeah, so we just want to show you the shops that are not really too well known but are really good and old. So we want to take you there and explore the city and the food that are available here.
You will be like roaming with us, like throughout the city. You'll be like seeing everything. Okay, fine. You will be now thinking hygiene. Dude, when it comes to hygiene,
nobody cares about hygiene. When we eat fuchka, who cares about hygiene? Just tell me.
Okay, now they must be thinking what fuchka is. Everybody knows what fuchka is. Golgappe.
Exactly,
Golgappe.
Okay, so why this vlog? Actually, we wanted to do something interesting as well as useful, and also we wanted to explore the city, which was not possible out of the busy schedule of our college and lives. You know, we all have to study a lot, especially in the college we are in. It's like hell. We have to study and study. So we wanted to
study.
Yeah.
You're paranoid with the study.
Exactly, because we have to study so much.
we just completed our exams, by the way. That's why we will be like so much in study now.
So yes, this was actually a fun thing. We wanted to do something which would be fun as well as useful, especially for the people who are coming here from other states and from other parts of this state only, and also from the other parts of the country, and also for the people
from the other part of the world.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Not only that, also for the students like here, the school students and the college students,
People who stay in PGs.
Exactly. People who don't know Kolkata very well. Even we don't, but we will. That's what's the purpose is actually. Yeah, that's a shame. I'm here for 7 years and I don't know many of the places
Not
actually.
for me. I just passed only 1 year and 4 months, I guess. Yeah. We mainly are doing this vlog because, frankly speaking, since school days, I had a big wish of doing something like this, like vlogging and stuff.
Yes.
But I never got a chance because I never got a partner, and I'm like such a scary ass.
And I wanted to do something with my camera.
She's a psychotic person, don't mind. She's a complete psycho. God, I handle her, my God.
So this morning I was thinking, how about making tutti frutti with like those ice cream tutti frutti as breakfast? You know, is that a good diet? I don't have to.
We tried our level best to control our diet.
No, that is not possible.
Mostly we did for around 2 days and then we got depressed.
Exactly.
We got depressed. Can you imagine? We just got
possible.
depressed.
It's not possible.
It's not possible for us. But the thing we started is like we met in college 1 year back, and then after planning, suddenly we came up with let's go vlogging, and we were like,
What do we vlog about?
yeah, we planned a lot. Like we thought of vlogging fashion, makeups. We're horrible with that.
Yeah, we saw around thousands of makeup videos online.
Tutorial stuff.
Yes.
We were like, shit off. It's not our business.
Not possible.
And then we
Then
started.
I wanted to make documentaries, which was not possible. So finally we came up with
Yeah,
the
we were like
food
discussing
vlogging
first,
thing.
like let's do it something, you know, we'll do some mix and match and let's do it. And then we started getting so obsessed with the food thing. We're like, let's open up a food vlogging channel. I just said food. I just said food. Actually, we never planned off a food, and this was such a sudden thing.
Yeah.
And like this just came, we were like planning what to vlog, and suddenly it came up like, let's go fooding. We were like,
Yes.
yeah, that's way better because
Yes.
we would like cover almost the whole earth. We can make it a whole bunch of donut or
Especially,
something like
yes,
that.
When it comes to food, there's no deficiency.
No makeup, nothing comes in front.
Exactly. It's just
Only
food people care about.
This vlog is basically, obviously we'll post most of the things of food, but we'll be covering some like puja on the special occasions like puja, Christmas, like we celebrate huge
New Year's
puja.
Eve.
Yeah, we'll be like,
And Diwali.
yeah, we'll be like uploading some, yeah, obviously there will be food in that, but the
And-
main attention or the main attraction will be the occasion, what the occasion is all about.
Yes. And
Because-
of course the food in there. Because
Yeah.
every occasion has special foods and dishes.
Stay away without food.
Yes, food is our main thing. Definitely our main thing. It's
Yeah, and then you know Calcutta is so
Rich.
much known for the Durga Puja thing.
it's rich with culture. Food
Yeah.
and yeah.
Everything.
It's an attractive place to be in.
We love Kolkata.
I love Kolkata. Sometimes I don't, but most of the
Most of
times
the
I
we
do.
do.
We
Sometimes
do
we like
together.
sometimes we're like let's just shut up this place and just go away. And then when
Yeah.
we go out and see the fuchka stall,
Exactly.
Yes,
We think that what if we go away and don't get chicken rolls and fuchkas in there? No, that's not possible. We have to stay here. We have to stay here in
Just
order to
for
get good
fuchka.
food.
yeah.
Yeah, so how often we shall be uploading? It's like once or twice a month because we don't want to go too fast in the beginning. We want to keep the same pace and we want to be very regular about it. So we will try to upload once or twice a month at most. Yeah, because we have a really busy schedule of college and life, so we don't really get too much of time. We have to manage everything all along. So we will do this as a part of fun entertainment in our lives as well as something useful for everyone, like obviously the viewers, you all.
And it is gonna take time because obviously we won't be shooting at a only single place. We'll be like roaming around with one single food type. We'll be like roaming around and going from south to north.
Yeah, obviously, but it's not possible to go in each and every corner of the city because
We'll
it's
try
very
our
busy.
level best.
Yeah, we will show you the as much as we can, the best we can. We will do the best we can actually. So yes, guys, that was all for the introduction today. And if you have any more queries and if we have missed out any points, then you can comment below, and you can also email us. And all the descriptions are given in the description box below.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And it will be a great pleasure if we get your support. So that was all for today, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye, take care. We will see you in the next video. We
And
love you
you.
guys.